If you're doing adaptation pathways using linear thinking, you're not going to get very far. So the other models we're bringing in here are, what are the drivers in the system outside of our sector that we need to be considering? How does complexity work? Like systems thinking, we're bringing that into it as well. And then the third one is, how do we get the learning? So the third leg of the stool is, how do we make it experiential and fun?
It's a pretty broad workshop. It can have so much application to all the things that you do, but it's very valuable. And I think that the biggest point to me today that's coming across so far is how to challenge yourself into looking at things differently and working out how you can change the way you work.
So far it's been really good just to have the time to actually think of the future and ponder what we're doing now, and then it really has opened up my eyes to potentially your thought patterns and how you have to change it to actually think much more broadly.
The workshop's been framed around native fish. I've been working actively in conservation recovery, so whilst we're doing some good stuff, I'll be looking forward to other ways of doing it so we ensure that the future populations have a bit more longevity than the current thinking.
They're being very opportunistic focused, looking at the future. So rather than the doom and gloom of climate change, I'm noticing they're looking for the opportunities where they can be thinking differently and doing different things.